Alright guys, I have a '06 Gsx-R 600. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take this peg off, and I've already removed this part, some of the other parts. I already moved the brake master cylinder on the right side of the bike. I removed the foot peg on the left side of the bike, but this particular peg is for the left side of the bike. So, and just so you can see, it should have an L on it right there for the left side, and the right side should also have an L on it. I mean, the right side should have an R on it, sorry, but this is the L for the left side. But anyway, the first thing that you need to do to get this off, and the reason why I'm taking mine off is because I'm painting them. This is the actual gold color. I just wanted it to be gold because I'm doing my bike black. I'm from New Orleans and I love the Saints. I'm gonna do a Saints theme, black and gold. So I need to take this one off, and just to show you how I did it, because a lot of people are having issues with this. This right here needs to come off. If you can see it, it's like a little clip. I forgot the name of the clip, but yeah, that clip needs to come off. So what I'm gonna do is, what you need is a small screwdriver, flathead. You're gonna put this in there, and you have to be careful with doing this if you don't have an extra clamp right here, because if not, it'll fly off somewhere and you'll lose it. So what you need to do is put the screwdriver, let me see if it'll focus. You need to put the screwdriver inside of here. There's like a little groove, and hold it and just pull it out. The only thing is, you got to make sure it don't fly off, because I did it before and it flew maybe 10 feet away. So see, I just did mine and it came out. I kept my thumb right here just to make sure that it won't fly off anywhere. So again, this is what you need to come out, but place it in a secure spot because you can use this again. So I'm gonna drop mine off over there. The next thing that you would need to do is turn it over and get this screw out. I mean, it's not a screw, it's just like a bolt without threads on it. You could just hit it with the screwdriver and it'll eventually go down. I mean, some people do them different ways. Oh, I'm sorry. It's actually this corner, this side, that needs to come out, and you'll be able to tell because it has the grooves where that little clip was. If you hit it, see how it's going out, it's coming out on that side. Now, before you take it out, what I need you to do is watch and pay attention to how you have this in here, because if not, you'll put it in backwards, which I have done a few times. So see, your foot peg should be hard to come up. You should feel the spring. So you're going to take this out, and then you're going to take this spring out. Once you take the spring out, actually once you take this out, it'll actually come all the way out. It'll be two pieces and you could just take the spring off, but you need to get this off first. So all you have to do is just, some people are able to pull theirs out, when you turn them, and mine is coming out small portion at a time. Let me get a towel. I had a few microfiber towels over here, so I'll just use that and just pull it out, So mine just dropped out. Let me show it to you. So actually this right here, that's all it is. And see how my spring and the peg itself comes right out with no problem. That's all you need to do to get this off. I mean, a lot of people was trying to paint theirs, or they just need another one. They dropped their bike and this one, and the little small piece back here broke off on it, or anything. I mean, if you just want to get it out and paint it, or want to get it out and clean it, you can get it out. So I'll be back after I paint it to show you how to put it back in, but I'll actually be showing you maybe this one or the one on the other side. It's all the same. So I'll be right back after I get this and get ready to put it in.